Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? D plus hair plus Deb plus Hill. Dare, Deb, Hill. Daredevil. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, folks. Welcome to our show. And we're delighted to welcome back a very good player. He's our returning champion. On his 3 first games that he won, he's picked up $14,884 in prizes. This is Damon Jones.
Unbelievable.
Having a little trouble in the winner's circle, however.
A little trouble there, but I think after one more win, I should have it. I hope. Don't quote me on that.
Okay, but in order to get that one win, you will have to defeat this lady, V.U. Spangler.
Right.
Hiya, V.U.
Nice to meet you.
It's begging the question, of course. What does the V.U. stand for?
Well, it doesn't stand for anything. That's my given name, spelled V-I-I-U. It's Estonian.
Oh.
They just gave you the V-U so you'd know how to pronounce it.
What? They didn't think I would know how to pronounce it if you showed up V.I.U. I knew a girl named V.U. in Canada. She was part of the Estonian Kalev dancers and gymnasts.
Right? Oh.
We had a great organization there, and they did some fantastic things. They did the gymnastics with the hoops and the balls and all that stuff. That's popular in Estonia.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Do you do that?
No, I'm Irish.
You're Irish?
Yeah.
Gets a little confusing, folks. Let's look at a prize. Gene?
Part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection, this pendant features an iridescent oval opal surrounded by sparkling diamonds, making a classic statement in any woman's wardrobe. Furnished by Kay Jewelers.
And the prize can be found on the board right here. Number 21, diamond and opal pendant. V.U., you're going to select first in this one. Damon has already won a holiday in Puerto Vallarta. But in this game, we've got a vacation in Paris.
Oh, yes. I gotta go to Paris.
All right, you pick first.
Okay, let's look for that trip to Paris under number 9.
Leather garment bag.
Okay, and a match for that garment bag under number 17, please.
Carpet, no match. Damon.
Okay, let's look for a wild card to the trip to Paris under number 13, please.
Scooter and skateboard set.
Ooh, I could go down the street easy on that. Let's go. Number 25 for the match.
Go down Easy Street, did you say? There's a green take, no match.
Okay, let's, I'm gonna continue looking for Paris under number 2, please.
Wild card.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, what?
I'm gonna fish and look for it under number 10.
Fishing equipment. Well, you said you were going to fish.
Yeah.
And now you'll get a chance to fish with some great equipment. The other fishing equipment is on the same line at the other end, number 6. Put it up here for her and show V.U. these 3 pieces of the puzzle. Now select again.
Okay, let's look under number 24, please.
His and her gym membership.
And the match for that under number 12.
Cookware set, no match. Damon?
Okay, looking for that trip to Paris. Let's try number 23, please.
Cookware set.
I believe we just saw that under number 12.
Cookware set. You believe correctly, Damon. And as a result, you get a look at the puzzle. Try it again.
Okay, let's look for a wild card on number 20, please.
Paris,
France. Gotta find that wild card, that wild thing. Let's go under number 15, please.
Washer and dryer. No match. V.U.?
Okay, let's find the match under number 16.
There you go, wild card.
And I need, my husband and I never got a honeymoon, so number 20 for Paris.
20 for Paris is right. And the other Paris holiday?
Yes.
Top of the board, right-hand corner, number 5. It's up here. You have 2 marvelous prizes. You have Paris and fishing equipment.
Yeah, do a lot of fishing in Paris.
Yes, in the Seine. Take a look now at the puzzle as we open these 3 doors.
Sherwood Forest?
Is it Sherwood Forest? No, it is not. It's all right. It's all right. Hey.
Let's look under number 4, please.
Wild card again. Now what are you going to do, Vio?
Well, let's see. I think I'm just gonna look under number 25, please.
Green take. The other green take at number 8. What you do is, I've mentioned this before, you provide yourself with an element of protection because if your opponent takes the trip away from you, you can get it back. But you also remove one potential danger, and that is he can't get the green take. The only take he can find is the red one.
Right.
So you're doing yourself a good turn here.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's going to take the cookware, right?
I think I can pass on that. We got that for a wedding
Thought
gift
so.
about 5
Open these
times.
3 doors, reveal. Select again.
Let's look under number 13.
Scooter
right.
and skateboard set.
And let's see if there's a match for that under number 22, please.
Leather garment
No.
bag, no match. Damon,
Number 9, please.
leather garment bag,
And number 22, please.
leather garment bag. That'll go nicely with your cookware set. Let's open it up. Select again.
I've got to see what's under number 18, please. Red take, I need that. Let's see what's under number 14, please.
Carpet, no match. Vio was trying to hold her breath a few moments ago, and I suspect because she thinks she can solve the puzzle. Mm-hmm. Then all you have to do is make a match, grab a prize, check it out,
Okay.
and you're home free.
Let's look under number 19, please.
Diamond and opal pendant.
And the match for that under number 21, please.
Diamond
Yes.
and opal pendant.
Okay.
Now, you've got the tape.
I think I'll take the leather garment bag for my trip to Paris.
Yeah.
Vio, you're a nice young lady. Don't rub it in, though.
Okay.
It hurts,
There's a red
hurts
tape
when you do
left
that.
still.
Yeah, but she may wrap things up right here, Damon. Let's find out. Open it up.
Is it Sir Francis Drake?
Is it Sir Francis Drake? That was good.
Thank you.
Come on, Vio. Let me say it again. That was good.
Thank you, Alex.
Explain it.
Okay, first we have the S plus the her for Sir. We have France and his for Francis. Then we have the D and the rake for Drake. Sir Francis Drake.
Nicely done. I thought this was going to have something to do with golf down here, but no, you came up with the correct response. Damon, only 1 strike against you. You've been with us for a while, but you're going to be with us longer still. We're going to bring you back in the next game.
Looking forward to
in
it.
a little bit. All right, Vio. Interesting that France came up in the puzzle, isn't it?
It is.
Because you're going to be going there, and you've got some other prizes as well. Gene, tell her all about them, please.
A leather garment bag, fishing equipment, and Paris, France.
Okay.
We'll fly you in the companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Paris. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the ultra-modern Pullman Hotel Saint-Jacques. On the exciting left bank in Paris, enjoy gourmet food and famous French hospitality furnished by the Pullman Hotel Saint-Jacques. And, of course, the lovely diamond and opal pendant. And this is a prize package worth, ooh la la, $6,691.
$6,691? That must be some pretty fancy fishing equipment, if you ask me. All right, this young lady, Vio Spangler, is going to have an opportunity to win a brand new car when we come back following this message. She's been practicing her deep breathing here, getting ready for this, so let's see how it works out for you. You know the deal. You want to match up as many cars as possible. And if you get all and just leave 1 square up there, you will be the proud owner of a new vehicle. Here are the 15 numbered squares. And here's the clock. Basic time, 35 seconds. Go.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No again.
7, 8,
No.
10, 11,
No.
1, 11,
Yes.
13, 14,
Yes.
3, 6,
No.
9, 12,
No.
9, 3,
Yes.
12, 15,
No.
15-7.
No.
12-10.
No.
15-10.
Yep.
12-4.
No.
12-5.
Calling out the two numbers as you did.
I know I shouldn't have done it.
Cost you some time,
Takes
as you
some
realize.
time, yeah.
But hey, you won big in your very first game, $6,691, including a honeymoon, a belated honeymoon in Paris, France. Well, that's great.
Yeah.
And you get to play again right after we take this break. We've got some important words for the folks at home. There will be just one wild card in this second game today, and Damon will get to select first. But before we do that, let's show the two of our contestants this lovely prize.
Fully hand-carved solid wood construction and convenient layout of internal spaces makes this Colonial Heirlooms armoire a grand addition to any decor. Furnished by Colonial Heirlooms. Alex.
Marjorie, there's a clown in your closet. I know, it's a clown closet. Okay, Damon and Viu, take a look at our board, and here's where you will find the closet. We call it an armoire, to be fancy. We also have $500 in the cash pot and a holiday in Molokai, Hawaii.
Love to go to Hawaii.
And Damon. It was Father Damien on Molokai, but it's Damon Jones, our player. You pick.
Okay, let's look for that trip for Hawaii under number 8.
Woman's gold watch.
I have a friend that would like that. Let's look right next to it at number 7, please.
Mountain bikes for 2. No match. Viu?
That'd be nice. Let's look under number 4, please.
Telephone and answering machine
I
unit.
need one of those. Number 20, please, for the match.
Stereo. No match. Damon?
Let's have a look under number 21, please.
Cash pot.
I could always use more of that. Number 1, please.
Stereo. No match. Viu?
Let's see. I think we saw the stereo under number 20, please. And the match under 1.
1 makes it a match. An early 1 4-hour challenger. Viu. Playing well today. Open it up. Select again.
Let's look under number 3, please.
Armoire.
And the match under number 18, please.
18, the armoire or the fancy closet? The clown closet? Do you have a clown you could put in your armoire?
You know, I think I might have to leave the clown behind.
Yeah?
They give me the creeps.
Do clowns frighten you?
Yeah.
Really?
All my life, yeah.
Oh, well, okay. Don't worry about it. We won't include the clown.
Okay, thanks.
2 doors opening up for you, Viu. Select again.
Let's look under number 23, please.
Molokai, Hawaii.
Yes.
There we go.
Another second honeymoon there. Let's look for the match under number 6, please.
Red take. No match. Damon.
Looking for that trip to Hawaii or a wild card under number 14, please.
Molokai, Hawaii.
And number 23 for the match, please.
There it is. The Hawaii holiday is up on Damon's side. And Damon, take a look. Select again.
Oh, yeah. Let's take a look under number 10, please.
Outdoor lighting.
Outdoor lighting, so I can see better outdoors. Let's see if I can find the match under number 11.
Outdoor lighting, yes. Naturally done. Take a look.
Not yet.
All
Need
right.
to see more. Let's take a look under number 6, please.
Red take. Well, you're not
Yeah.
seeing more, you're seeing
Yeah,
again.
I just remembered that. Number 2, please.
Is it there? No, we have the cash pot.
I think I remember the cash pot under number 21, please.
Yes,
And the match for that under number 2.
you are correct. What do you like to spend your money on, Bill?
Well, I'd like to spend that in France, actually.
Now, that's a good idea, but let's assume it isn't going to be on a vacation.
Okay,
If you're
theater-
just spending
Theater tickets. I love to go to the theater.
clothes?
Food, dog food.
Are you into clothes or jewelry,
yeah,
things like that?
yeah, I'd love to get some new clothes, actually. I haven't been shopping in a while.
All right. Well, we'll show you these 2 squares.
Okay.
We're still flirting with the perimeter of the puzzle, not in the center so much. Select again.
Let's look under number 25, please.
Woman's gold watch.
Oh, we saw that.
Yes, we did.
That was under number 8, I believe.
Is it there?
Yes.
Hey, Vee, you don't miss much. Way to go. Take a look. Select again.
Okay, let's look under number 5, please.
Cinco,
I think
phone
I did
and
that.
answering machine unit.
Let's look under number 9. No.
Green take. Didn't work for you on that one. Damon, what can you do?
Okay, looking for one of those takes under number 12, please.
No, those are the mountain bikes for
I
2.
believe we saw that under number 7.
Did we? Yes, good going. All right, Damon. How valuable will these 2 pieces of the puzzle be? Let's take a look now with Damon. Select again.
Okay, I'd like to see what's under number 24, please.
Limited edition artwork.
And let's try and find a match under number 22.
Entertainment Center. Didn't work for you. View.
Okay, I need to make a match here. Number 17, please.
Red take.
And number 6, please.
Now, when you said you need to make a match, is it because you think you can solve it?
Yes,
You're
sir.
pretty good at that. Now you've got a take here.
First, I'm going to take the his and her mountain bikes.
His and her mountain bikes. All right. Put them on View's side.
Yeah, I do want the mountain bikes.
She wants the mountain bikes.
Sorry.
That-
You can
don't-
get cheap trips to Hawaii, but the mountain bikes, my husband would love that.
You were thinking of him. You've already got the honeymoon in Paris, so you don't need the honeymoon in Hawaii.
Right.
But you do need the mountain bikes.
Yeah.
Where are you going to use them? Here in Southern California?
Yeah, I think so. I mean,
Where?
there's a lot of desert area around, you know.
Okay.
Is
Are
that
you
good?
ready to do this? If you solve the puzzle right now, we have to say goodbye to Damon, so look at him and
Damon,
Goodbye.
I'm so sorry.
wave goodbye to Damon, I guess. Open it up for VU Spangler.
Working overtime.
Looks like it. Working overtime, she says. And by golly, she was correct. Yeah. Here we go, VU.
Okay. First, there's a W-E-R, were, plus the king for working, the hoe plus the fur coat for over, and then the tie plus the M for time. Working overtime.
The tie was not visible. You just figured it out based on the top line
The
and
hoe and the
over.
fur.
Yeah. Good. That's the way you're supposed to do it, VU. And Damon, we've got to say goodbye to you. I hope you enjoy your holiday in Puerto Vallarta and all the other prizes that total $14,884.
It's wonderful. Thanks to everyone here. Thank you very much.
Okay, take
Alex.
care.
Had a great time.
So long, Damon. Well, you passed up on a trip to Hawaii in order to get the mountain bikes, and you got some other great prizes as well, and we're going to hear about them right now from Gene.
A cash pot worth $500, mountain bikes for 2, and a stereo. Sharp's portable stereo component system with compact disc player, single auto reverse double cassette deck, detachable speakers, and remote control furnished by Sharp, and a woman's gold watch. Jean Dev brings new dimension to timekeeping with the watch that marries today's technology with yesterday's styling. The Sectora, 18-karat gold overlay and all Swiss made, furnished by Jean Dev watches. And, of course, the elegant armoire. And these prizes are worth $4,085.
VU, when you win big. Big.
I like to do everything big.
You're going to win a big car?
I'm going to win a big Wrangler.
You're going to win a Wrangler?
Yeah.
You promise?
I'm hoping, yeah.
Are you going to win it today?
Yeah, so we can all go home early.
All right, good. We're going to take a break, and we'll come back, and we'll see VU win the Wrangler. She promised a Jeep Wrangler, so let's get to it. 15 numbered squares. 5 seconds added to base time. You've got 40 seconds to work with, VU. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No again.
7, 8.
No.
10, 11.
No.
11, 5.
No.
13, 14.
No.
14, 7.
No.
14, 4.
No.
3, 6.
No.
6, 10.
Yes.
9, 4.
No.
9, 7.
No.
1, 14.
Nope.
12, 2. I got a little nervous.
It's okay. Didn't win the Wrangler, though.
Hey, I got 45 seconds next time.
That's right. You've got $10,776 right now in prizes, and we're going to take a break after we hear from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Singer's Featherweight Plus Sewing Machine, lightweight but big on performance. Built-in free arm storage and handle designed from years of sewing experience, furnished by Singer. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
And the ladies in red and I will see you all again tomorrow, we hope. So long, folks.
Speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.